Quick tip: ditching credit cards can lower your credit score. Credit utilization and availability play a big role in determining your credit score. The less credit you use and the more that you have available, the better your score will likely be. Closing down a credit card account may drastically lower the amount of credit you have available, which can then reduce your score. Even freezing your card in a block of ice can have negative effects. Credit card companies will sometimes lower your available credit or just close the account if they see inactivity for too long. This may not be the end of the world if you have another line of credit like a mortgage, but it's typically better for your credit score to keep a credit card around and only use it for smaller purchases. It's often wiser to limit credit card usage than to ditch them entirely. Figure out which debts are costing you the most and focus your efforts on paying them down before you cut up your cards. While you're at it, try limiting your credit card usage to a few small monthly purchases to protect your credit score and free up some extra funds to work on your other debts.